everyone, this is Shammy. Welcome to my channel, and today we are talking about Korean 10-step skincare routine. My skin is very dry and I haven't really taken care of my skin. I mean, I haven't done anything extra. I've done very basic like moisturizing, cleaning and toning most of my adult life since I haven't done anything extra ever. So I was thinking to add a few steps to my skincare routine, and I thought why not Korean 10-step viral routine, and let me see how it goes. So today we are taking this 10-step Korean skincare routine. I'm gonna do it for 1 month and I'm gonna update you how I feel, how my skin feels, and whether I'm going to continue this or not. Without any question, I'm definitely going to do it for 30 days, but I will not probably do AM because 10-step AM is quite difficult. So I'm going to do PM routine, and let's see how it goes. Without further ado, let's dive in. Our first routine is oil bliss or balm based cleanser. So I am taking Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. I have quite a bit of pores on my skin, so this is skincare product that my sister has introduced to me and I'm actually loving it. Although this is oil based, but when I wash with the water, it actually melts away. And so for this I need to use my bunny. This is again something my sister has given me. She's quite the skincare person. I'm not. I'm learning a lot from her. Thank you, me. So I need a cotton pad. So I'm going to take some oil on my pad and I'm going to use it on my skin. Can you see so much dust? I didn't even go out today. I cleaned my face in the morning, so whatever we do, even we don't go out, we actually accumulate this much of dust every single day. So in the evening, I definitely suggest you try oil base or balm based cleanser and oil based cleanser. So see, without this oil I would probably never see how much dust I actually generate on my face. So for my water-based cleanser, I am using this Ola Derm. This is a skin brightening foaming face wash. This was given me by an Indian dermatologist, and I really like this face wash. This suits my skin so well. My skin is very dry, but this foaming face wash does not leave my skin very dry, so I'm loving it. So I'm taking a small portion to apply on my face. I'm going to my wash basin. I'm not taking the camera since both my hands are like all over with this product, so I'll come back in a minute. I'm back. So this is my microfiber face towel. So I have been told not to push down my face, gently pat my face, and this will keep my face lifted. If I pull down, I might get a saggy skin, which I don't want. So yeah, gently pull up like this, so not too harsh. So I'm just patting my skin. Alright, now exfoliator. This is my rice face scrub. This is from Mama Earth. This is an Indian brand as well, so I also love this. This is very good. This is actually like rice. Can you see this? It's like rice. It's more like, I feel like this is a rice paste, and this is very good. I really like it. So I'm sure I'm not supposed to scrub my face every single day, otherwise that's gonna be too much. Probably I will be skipping only this part. Let me wash my face again. I'm back again. So again, only just pat my face Now toner or essence water. So this is ginseng essence water. This is something I'm using on my face as a toner. So I'm taking a few drops on my palm, gently rub it and use on my face. I shouldn't have missed my neck, so from tomorrow I will also do it on my neck. But let me start with my toning. Let me dry it a little bit. I can tap on my face. This improves blood circulation. Not too hard, like very gently. Okay. Now the Haru Haru Wonder, the essence. I'm taking a few drops on my hand, on my palm, gently rub it. So you already done like oil cleansing, water cleansing, face scrubbing, toning, essencing. So 5 steps already done. These are the most complicated steps now, or like long steps, because this needs to dry. So you're supposed to apply serum. So my doctor has given me these 2 serum. I'm applying this 2. Also I have niacinamide. So these 3 are has doctor recommended me, which I'm using almost for a week now. So this Fullerness Ageless Brightening Serum, this is only 10 ml. So this is a medicated. I'm not going to use it. I'm only going to use it until it finishes. Then I'm not refilling it. Since I'm the only person who is using this serum, so I can touch on my skin and I know my skin is clean, so there is no problem. But if you are someone you're sharing your serum with, you should not touch the dropper onto your face, onto your skin. You can take it on your palm and then rub it and then use it on your skin. So I'm supposed to wait for 2 minutes and then I should go for the next step. So I'll come back in 2 minutes. 2 minutes is over. Now this is my second step. This is also medicated. This is basically BHA 2 gel. This is also 12 ml, so I'm not supposed to use it after it finishes. So this is temporary. So although I could avoid doing this, but I thought since it's medicated, my doctor has given me, I don't want to miss it. So I'm taking all this serum as one step. The point to not drag down my face. You have realized it, and please forgive me. After this, I'm supposed to wait for 15 minutes because BHA 1 or 2, it takes around 15 minutes to work on your face. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. My 15 minutes is up, so I'm using my niacinamide now, and I'm using niacinamide for a generous amount. I won't say it's too small or too much. This should be enough for my face. My skin is very dry, so that's a point. I always feel that I need a little generous amount to apply on my skin because it gets dry very soon. I'm not sure should I apply all this on my neck or not. If anybody knows about it, please let me know in the comment box below so I get to learn from you. And thank you. It's almost dried. Now I am using now sheet mask, and I'm using Mary and May niacinamide vitamin C brightening mask. Can you read this? I'll see whether if the video is not clear, I'll put up a picture next to my face. So this is the sheet mask. It has 30 masks, and I thought instead of buying individually, why not I buy a box, and that will work for me, because I'm experimenting this for 30 days. So otherwise I will have to buy so many sheet masks. So much of plastic waste. I'm supposed to have this on my face for 15 minutes, so I'll come back after 15 minutes. My 15 minutes is over. It's actually 20 minutes. I stayed a little longer because my mask was still very wet, and after 20 minutes I can feel that my skin is very hydrated, actually very hydrated. Let it dry. Meanwhile, I use my eye cream. This is again Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum, Ginseng and Retinol. Take a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. 8 steps done. Now moisturizing, I am using Clinique Moisture Surge. Been already using it for quite some time, as you can see. I've been using over like months, I think 5 months, and these 125 ml still left. This is a wonderful product, and this is very light. This is not very heavy, and I really like it, but it hydrates my skin a lot. I could buy a new product, but I've been liking this, loving this cream, so I decided not to buy anything and use the same product that I am in love. So now the final step, this is sleeping mask. Mary and May Believe in Truth Scalene Dula Peptide and Ageless Sleeping Mask, vegan formula. This is also I've been using for quite some time, but I don't use every day. I use on and off. I use it most of the time when I travel. After a whole day of traveling, I want my skin to have some nutrition, so I use it when I mostly am travel. But now even I am home, I'm not traveling. I work from home, so I'm not even commuting to my work. Sometimes I go out, depending on I need to do grocery, I need to do some shopping, or meeting some friends, or I have some meetings. Apart from that, I stay mostly home, so I'm using it. Let me see how I feel after 30 days. So I finished my day 1 night routine. Let me see how I feel in the morning. I will keep you posted. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. Stay tuned for the updates. Day 3. Day 10. I have added a new toner, rice toner. This is from rice toner. This is another Korean viral product, and I thought to add on my skincare routine, and why not. So today is the 30th day and I can definitely see that my skin has changed for the better. It's not a massive change, but it is a subtle change and I can feel it. People can see it and people are giving me compliments that my skin looks much more better than before. My pores are a little tighter and I had a lot of spots on my face which is faded away a little. It's not completely gone yet. You can still probably see a little bit, one spot here, one spot here, one spot here. It's not completely gone yet, but it has faded a lot. And to be honest, I did not use sheet mask every day. I missed a few days and I think it's a very complicated procedure because you have to wait for like 15-20 minutes for putting something on your face. It was not possible for me every day, but I did it thoroughly. So thank you so much for watching our video. At the same time, I can tell you that I'm going to continue this skincare routine for the foreseeable future, and I will definitely keep you posted how my skin looks like and whether I have gone rid of all the pores on my face, which is a lot. I think it will take a lot of time for doing that. And so if you want to continue Korean's 10-step skincare routine, I think it's definitely, you can give it a go. Overall, my skin is much more hydrated. My skin was very dehydrated when I started this, and I can feel myself and I feel much better. I feel more confident. So I am definitely going to continue this skincare routine, but maybe not with this sheet mask thing. Sheet mask I will be using some other part of the day, but not during this nighttime skincare routine. So apart from that, I am going to continue this 9-step routine, and I'm not going to do it in the morning because morning it's very difficult because I live in a very humid area and having so many layers on my face. That means I have to constantly sit in an AC room, which is not practical for me. And so if I'm in a colder climate, maybe I will use it in the morning. Winter is coming in my country, so maybe I will try a few days and see how it goes. If I like it in the winter for so many layers because it's not humid anymore, so I will continue this. So thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.